What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub, man. Want to do a final, quote-unquote final demo of the Malibu here. Just got word from a guy that some of the equipment that I was expecting has come in. So that basically just means that it's time for me to go ahead and tear her down. So I wanted to go ahead and do a quick demo in the daytime, as I promised a lot of people that I was going to do. I've done demos, but haven't done them in the daytime, so this is going to be it. I am down at Carter Lake. There, I don't know if y'all can see, but there's quite a bit of people down here. I tried to back off in a little bit of a secluded area. I don't know how well that has worked out, man, but I'm going to go ahead and do a quick demo, maybe a couple of snippets of songs, but let's turn this song on and get it going, and I'll put this on the channel.
Always stay probably on the beach, nigga, where it's what's that? Nigga smoke somewhere you know. Tell that. And we smoke it all, we don't say.
I hope the microphone is catching this, man. That thing is going ham, man. I only got my bass knob, I think, on like 6.5, maybe 7. Volume is on 26. Y'all know, y'all got a Pioneer radio. Y'all know the radio don't clip till it gets to 40, but I don't ever try to go that high, man. She flexing. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up the music or the flex, but it's going nuts.
Look. Do real drugs, nigga. Doing my smoke to the sky. Before I die, money is nothing. Niggas big talk, but I know. Don't mean nothing. Money, my gang here, you can take.
That truck is straight broke, man. That truck is broke. Alright, so like I said, I don't know if that's gonna come through in the video due to the fact that she does slap pretty doggone hard. My camera may or may not pick that up, but let's try one more, man. I've been wanting to hear this song, so let's see what happens. Alright, so that is my trunk. No wall. Twisted Sounds. Right there. If y'all wondering what's the noise in the back, that is the freaking the two fans I got in here. I'll try to hit my trunk. I'm actively pressing that button. Trunk don't work, so I gotta figure out a way to get in my trunk, because it's straight broke. Hopefully it came through in the video. If not, I don't know what to say, man, but this will probably be the last demo video for quite a while. Let's turn this crap off. Alright, so this will probably be the last demo video for a little bit, until I, for one, able to get in my trunk and get this stuff out of here, and replace the speakers, which, like I said, a lot of that stuff I do have. A lot of that stuff is on the way, so stay tuned, man. We'll go from now, the transition of doing the demos to back to the little table, man. So y'all know what I say, man. Stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of updates coming soon. Gotta get this thing correct, man. There she goes. All right, so it's your boy Young Dub. Y'all know the deal, man. Any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and hit me up, man. I'll try to get back to everybody. Stay tuned, man. I guess the next move is trying to get in this damn trunk. I hear it clicking, but it's just not on there, man. It's your boy Young Dub, man. I'm out, man. You have a good one.